Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 38. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and open a new part template. And we'll start the sketch by going to the Sketch tab and clicking on the Sketch tool. And then we'll start sketching by clicking on the top plane, and let's start by creating a centered rectangle. Let's dimension that rectangle by 90 by 135. Exit the sketch, and then we can go for feature extrude boss and base of thickness 12. And now we can create the next we can create this geometry here. And to create that, as you can see here, this portion is not exactly at the center. So if we analyze it, this is 45 and this would be 45. So 45, 45, 90, and this is 135. So another 45 is the total length of this. If you see that, 10, 25 and 10, that is 45. All right. So we can just, we have a plane. If you see that, we have a plane over here which is lying at the exact center. So let's create another plane with reference to this plane at, from here it will be 12.5 plus 10, so 12 plus 12.5 plus 10 will be 22.5, and you can press tick mark. And also you can create another plane from the right plane, flip offset, and this time we'll create it at 12.5. The reason being that, I will be using that plane to create this sketch here, and then I will extrude it outwards. In this case, I will be creating at this surface and then I'll be extruding it outwards. So here I've got it 22.5 and here I got it 12.5 because I'm not considering the thickness of this when I am giving an offset plane over here on this side. So let's start doing the sketch now. So click on the sketch tool, and let's start sketching on the plane number 1. And as we start sketching, what we can do will be, we can just start sketching in this fashion. Or you can create a circle. And a line from here. And now 1 and 2, you can give a tangent, tick mark, 1 and 2, another tangent, tick mark, and you can use a trim entities and just start trimming here. and you can trim this portion as well. Control middle mouse button to pan a little bit, zoom out, and now you can give this dimension, that will be 12, and this would be 28, so 1 and 2, this will be 28, and the overall length from this center of the circle to this edge would be 180. Zoom out a little bit, and as you can see here, this is 63, and what else? The diameter of the circle is, radius is 20, diameter is 40. So now if you see, the sketch is fully constrained and it's good to go. So we can just exit the sketch now, rotate a little bit, and give features, extrude boss and base, reverse direction to close sketch. Oh, alright. So I haven't closed the sketch. So what I can do is I'll just press no, and I'll just go for editing the sketch. And what I've forgotten is that I didn't convert entities for this. I'll click on convert entities and I'll exit the sketch now, and then go for extrude, select the sketch, reverse direction, thickness is 10, double enter. Alright, let me just confirm that the thickness is 10. No, it's not 10, so double enter, that'll do the trick. Now we need to do the same thing again. So one thing we can do is, instead of repeating the step, we can just simply select this and then maybe go for mirror and use the right plane to mirror that. So as we can see, this is what I had created previously. So this was a plane, and the plane is lying just at this particular edge, at this particular surface of the plane. So now if I press on the tick mark, then we have already created that. And now what we can do will be select this face here, then go for sketch, and we can simply control middle mouse button, zoom in once again, and just try to find the center of the circle. To find the center of the circle, just move your cursor towards that circle and that center will be appearing over there. You can just simply create that circle there and exit the sketch. What you can do will be extrude, and this will be 18, this will be 10, so 4 and 4 on both sides. Repeat the step over here again. Exit the sketch. Again, you can give a 4. Now what you can do is again select this face and create another circle of radius, diameter 16. Exit the sketch again, and now you can simply exit the sketch and you can simply go for extruded cut up to next, tick mark, and that'll confirm that. And finally we can select 1 and 2 and this, and you can go for mirror, and now you can select oops, that's a problem there. Okay, I'll just do that again, all these three, and we need to do the mirror, and click here for expanding the tree, and the tree is not appearing, so that's a problem here. There's a problem with the tree here. So what is the resolution now? I don't know what exactly happened. I think I'll have to restart. And this is oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll just select this face and we'll create another plane here. So that'll be at, this is 25, right? So 12.5, double enter or tick mark, and we can simply select these three objects, okay, and go for mirror and just mirror according to this plane here, and just do the tick mark, and we have that done. So the reason I'm not sure what exactly happened here and why that was not appearing, maybe there's a software issue. So you don't need to create this extra plane because the plane is already created as we start the model. That's the basic plane X, Y, Y, Z and Z X plane. So that's not a problem, as we can see that the model is complete. Okay, we have one more thing remaining, so that's a simple hole. So we can just simply create that. Just create a circle and just do a dimension of diameter 16, right? So 16, and we can place that circle at 45 from here, and 22 from here, from here. Exit the sketch, and now you can go for extruded cut, and you can give up to next. Click on the tick mark, and finally select that extruded cut, and then go for mirror and mirror it according to the plane 3, double enter, and that'll complete our model. This was a really simple model, and compared to the model that we have done on our previous exercises. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, and also if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video, or you can write to me for any special requests. And also, if you are clicking on the bell icon beneath or just near to my channel name, then you'll be able to get regular updates whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much, guys, and stay tuned.